Hey, what is up guys? Today we shall have a hands-on experience on iOS 16. So this is the iPhone 11 and I'm going to lock the phone. Look at that, it's going to unlock it very easily. So the Face ID has been made much faster even on the iPhone 11. And let me show you another cool thing. So you can unlock your mobile and you can customize your lock screen. And just place your finger on the screen for a long time and you're going to get this. And now press the plus icon and you can customize your screen. For example, I will go with this. This looks very vibrant. And you can say add, set as a wallpaper pair, or you can even customize your home screen. I'll say customize my home screen and I will say done. And look at that, we have this. And if you want to access the customization of this mobile or the lock screen, you don't have to lock your mobile again. You can just scroll up from the top, hold the screen for a longer time. You can say customize and you can place widgets over here. It's not 34. Now I'll say activity and all of that. We have it right over there, the kilocalories burned. And we have much more like weather, stocks, reminders, clock, calendar, all of that. Supposing you don't want to use this customized one, you want to have the previous one. So you can come back over here and you can just have a tab on that. There we go, we have it. And another interesting feature of the iOS 16 is the wallpapers. So I'll go into settings and I'll go to wallpaper and you can customize over here too. I would say customize, add new. And look at that, we have a whole lot of bunch of features. And here we have the wallpapers, different type of wallpapers. It's 9:36 a.m. now. And 6 is hiding behind that. And if you're going to press on that, you can change the font. All of that interesting features. And now there is something cool about these notifications. You can make it as personalized as possible. Now I'm screen recording this and I will stop this. Okay. It's going to come at the bottom. And now let's jump further into the video. We have the focus, which you can personalize again, like sleep, work, personal, do not disturb, and all of that. And you can add more you can select more like mindfulness, reading, gaming, fitness, driving, custom, all of that. And supposing if you have a collection of photos, you can edit them and it'll sync everywhere. If everybody in the family is given access, then editing and deleting the photos in a shared library is possible and the permissions given equally. And if I send an iMessage to another person having an iPhone, I've sent a message and this is not the message I wanted to send. Whereas in the iPhone 13, you can edit a message when you're going to send, or you can delete the message if that is not the message you wanted to send. And you have richer collaborations, like you can share notes, presentations, reminders, Safari tab groups, and more in the message to start collaborating instantly. So we have an improved mail. Of course, I can't open the mail because I have some personal messages there. And we have improved mail search in the mail app. Like search delivers more accurate and complete results and provides suggestions before you start typing. And we also have new mailbox features, like you can unsend the message which is sent. And Safari is going to provide a very efficient and the most useful feature that is a secure and an easier way to sign in. And now I'm very excited to show the interesting feature of the iOS 16. Now I'll go to photos, and here I have the thumbnail which I had made for my YouTube video of the iPhone 11. That is a Say Mobile, okay? And now if I want to capture or copy the subject of this photo, I'm just going to have a long press on this, and I get copy, okay? Just go to home screen, and you can paste it anywhere like Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, or even in an iMessage. And let me go over here, have a long press, and let's say paste. Let us say paste. There we go. And I'm going to send the message. It's not going to get delivered because I'm not online. And we have automatic punctuation. I'll go online and I'll go to iMessage. If I want to send a text through my voice, I can simply hold this. Hey, what is up? Now I'll be showing you how this works. And you can convey your message, whatever you want to send, through voice. Hi, Paul. How are you? Look at that. We have a comma after Paul, and we have a question mark after when you've asked the question, how are you? So it's that intelligent. And with the iOS 16, the maps have been updated, and you can add multiple stops along your route. And you can also transit cars and fares in maps. And you can also track your orders. And you can track your Apple Pay orders directly in the wallet. And we have some updates regarding the Health app. So this updated Health app helps you to manage and track the medications you take. And we also have an updated version of the Fitness app. So this app is going to help you track and meet your fitness goals, even if you don't have an Apple Watch. Now, using the iPhone motion sensors, your steps, distance, and third-party workouts will give you an estimate of your calories to contribute to your goal. And then we have the family sharing, which is very important, keeps people connected. And then we have the interesting feature that is a CarPlay. So this is going to give you fully integrated, immersive iPhone experience to your vehicle. And of course, the security improvements have been done, and now it's more secure than before. And when we come to accessibility, we have the door detection. Now you can navigate the final few feet to your destination by locating a door. And you can also estimate the distance of the door. And you can also find how to open the door. And the door detection also reads aloud important details like room numbers and wheelchair accessible symbols. So here's an extra bit of information. So the iOS 16 is compatible with all of these devices displayed over here. So this concludes the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time in a new tech video.